Hi, Ms. Muccini. This is Paul Heck, and I just want to say thank you again for taking the time to meet with Amy and I as we were leaving your resort. We had a fabulous stay. Everything was just excellent. The food was great. The place and the grounds were just immaculate. Really just enjoyed our time there. So I just wanted to give you a short video that shows you some things about your website. So my name is Paul Heck, and I'm with Grassfire Digital Marketing, and I help companies with both website design and predominantly to design it in a way that helps them to boost their rankings up in the search results. So when someone searches for something like, Sardinia Hotels Luxury, and I'll show you some keywords here in just a moment, but they find you. You've got some people running ads here that you can see, some different hotel groups and different travel sites and such. You've got this map section here where you want to try to get to rank in there. We can help with that as well. And then you want to rank in this organic section down here underneath the map. It's all about, getting your search ranking up into this section here so that you're looking really strong. Your website's really strong. As far as your website goes, you've got a really beautiful website. I think you're on the right track with, the design of it. There are a few things that I would do a little bit differently with some of the images, maybe being able to click on some of those and open those up. I would probably choose a little bit different image for the Lunaria restaurant. But overall, you've got a great thing going. There's some things that I would do additionally just from a graphic standpoint. I looked at a couple other websites, and you can see this one that has a sticky header, and you can see how it stays up there when someone scrolls. So you can always view where they are on the map. You can see their reviews. You can, pull up the gallery and such when you scroll down. So that might be something that you want to add in there. But overall, I think your overall design of your website, showing the video, what you have as far as how easy it is to book and such, is going in the right direction. There are some images down here that, might want to profile the resort a little bit more in this section. But overall, you're going in the right direction as far as the website design is. Now, for ranking your website, so when I'm talking about ranking, I'm talking about not the sponsored area because those are ads. I'm talking about ranking it into the map section, but predominantly ranking it in the organic section. That is all about the content, the keywords that are on your page. It's all about the backlink strength that you have. So these are other websites that refer to your website, and you want to have a strong set of backlinks from sites that have traffic, that are travel related or hotel related. And then you also have to have what we call citations. So these are your business name listed on as many online directories as possible in compared to your competitors. So if your competitor's listed on, say, 30 or 40 directories, I'm going to try to get you listed on, 100 to 140 directories so that your competitor's always playing catch up to you. Now, your competition online is going to be not just other hotels and resorts. It's also going to be these travel sites, and you can see them popping up: TripAdvisor, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, CN Travel, Condé Nast, the Luxury Editor, the Telegraph even. Those are websites that are popping up because they're profiling a lot of travel, they have a lot of traffic, but they also have good backlinks, and that's pushing them up in the search rankings with the keywords. So looking at keywords, just for instance, so when I look at a website, I look at okay, what is this site, what is this company trying to rank for? For you're probably trying to rank for Sardinia Hotels Luxury. That gets searched 800 times per month. It has a 2 on a difficulty of the keyword difficulty, which is good for us. That means it's a little bit easier to go get a higher ranking for that. You've got Resorts Sardinia. You've got Resorts in Sardinia. You've got Luxury Resorts Italy. These are all ones that we would probably try to go for. And initially you may not try to go for all of those, but you definitely want to go after some of this. And this is all about the content. So you need 1,500 words minimum of content on your homepage. Depending on how many keywords we're trying to rank your homepage for, you would have additional words on there as well. So for instance, I like to tell somebody it's about 250 to 300 words per keyword. And so if we are profiling the keyword or trying to go after the keyword Sardinia Hotels Luxury, which gets searched that 800 times a month, then we need to mention that 3 times on the site somewhere on the homepage, and it needs to be in about 300 words of content. So that's just an example of how that works as far as the amount of content that you need. And we break this up in different ways and make it smaller chunks. And I could work with your current website design company as far as like getting the right content to them so that they could place it on the page and link it and interlink it on the page and such. That's definitely something that we would work with your current website design company, because I know you mentioned that you've been working with them for a little while. So looking at additional things on your site. So just show you where your site is right now. So this is a program called Ahrefs. It allows me to put your website in here and see how you're ranking as far as like against your competition. So I'm looking at your URL strength and your domain rating strength. I'm looking at how many backlinks you have, what type of backlinks they have, how many different places are they coming from, and then how many keywords. So you've got a pretty good amount of traffic, which is great. You've got a nice amount of keywords on your site already, or that's being picked up for. But what we need to really work on is the strength of your site, and that's done in the backlinks, and it's also going to be done in some of the content that needs to be added. I apologize if this video is a little bit longer. I try to make these like 6 to 8 minutes, but going a little bit more in depth on yours. So looking at your referring domains, you can see you've got worldtravelrewards.com, IntelliTravel. These are just some other sites that are referring to yours. You got a do follow link on those. So that's passing some power to your site and helping Google to rank it higher. These two sites aren't passing any juice to your site because they just don't have any power to pass, and you don't have a link from there. So that's how that works on the backlink side. Looking at the top ranking sites. So I'm going to go back over here. Sardinia Hotels Luxury. You can see TripAdvisor. You can see Mr. and Mrs. Smith, Condé Nast Traveler, the Luxury Editor are all ranking high. So what I'd like to do is try to get you in this top 3 positions here. We don't have to be number 1. Just you've got to get shown. So the Luxury Editor, just for instance, it's just a site that's profiling different hotels and resorts. If you look at their strength for that particular page, they have 2 referring domains, 3 backlinks. So not very hard to beat, but they've got a really, really strong overall domain. So that's one of the things to work on. And then they've got content on there that's just helping them get picked up. This shouldn't be, a long, arduous effort to overtake them, but it will take a little bit of effort because they have a huge overall site. The Telegraph also shows up in this list down here. It's like in number 5 position, and you can see that they've just got some content about different hotels and such, but they've got a huge domain rating, 32 URL on this site here. They have 177 backlinks with 903,000 referring domains. That doesn't mean you have to get 900,000 referring domains. You just have to beat the strength of their domains and to overtake them. Looking at this timeout.com, you guys are actually listed on here, but there's no link to your hotel site. So that would be something that if they offer that, I would like to get that, but it might be something you have to buy or pay a monthly fee on. But looking at just the site of, this URL, got an overall strength of 90, but they only have a 1.6 on the URL strength. So again, 13 backlinks, 7 referring domains. We just need to dig in here, figure out what they have, and figure out what it takes to beat those guys. So that's how that works as far as like the keyword, the content that you need on your site. The backlinkings is just all about, do you have stronger backlinks than your competition for that particular keyword? And then do you have the right amount of content on your website that actually picks up those keywords so Google, when they crawl your site, finds you? So those are the 3 things that you have to have. It's the keyword-rich content on your site. It's the right amount of backlinks and strong backlinks that are industry-specific, relevant backlinks to you. And then your name, address, and phone number listed on as many online directories as possible. Those 3 things work together to push you up in the search rankings, just help you to get boosted up and past some of these other less strong competitors. Looking at just your site, just real quick, just overall against some of your competition, your site is well in line with what theirs looks like. Looking at these guys have got some video just like you all have. Again, I think you guys are going in the right direction. Just wanted to show you this real quick from a couple of resort sites that I saw there that compete against you guys. But yeah, I think that's good. Overall, you guys look really good on that. So I hope that was helpful. It's the 3 things that you need to do. It's the content that you have on your website. It needs to be keyword rich. It is the backlinks that are linking to your website. These are other websites that are industry specific. They pass power. They've got some visitors, and they pass a lot of power to your website. It is getting your name, address, and phone number listed on as many online directories as possible. And those three things work together to boost you up in the search rankings. If this is something that you're interested in taking a look at and how to boost yourself up in the search rankings for certain keywords, then I would love to help you guys do that. Again, Amy and I had a fabulous time at your resort. It was just spectacular, from the service to the food to the grounds were just immaculate. The beach was awesome. Our whole experience was just great. And we would really love to help promote that and help promote you guys in any way that we can, so that others can experience the same level of service and just relaxation that we had to experience. So again, my name is Paul Heck. I'm with Grassfire Digital Marketing. You can reach me at 1-479-326-7899. You can each email me back. Let me know if this is something that you'd like to take a look at, what it would cost, and what all it would involve. We would love to put that together for you. But we will talk to you soon, and hopefully we'll see you in the future.